Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Builder Gubby. This handy character is found atop the factory in the game. To reach this high-up location, you will need to complete a specific obstacle course. We will begin our quest by heading directly to the greenhouse, which is conveniently located near the game's initial spawn area. This is the first crucial step in our easy method. Once you are at the spawn point, your first task is to find the greenhouse. It's a prominent structure, so it should be easy to spot. Carefully climb all the way to the top of this greenhouse. From there, you will see a clear path or series of platforms that will guide you upwards, leading you directly into the clouds. This is where the real challenge begins. As you ascend into the clouds, you will encounter the cloud obby. This obstacle course will be on your right side. Take your time and navigate through the various platforms and jumps. Precision is key here, so make sure each jump is well-timed to avoid falling. Successfully completing this aerial challenge is essential for reaching our final destination. Congratulations on completing the cloud obby. Now, for the final step, you need to make a controlled jump. Look down from your position in the clouds and aim for the large, flat roof of the factory building. Carefully descend onto the factory roof. Once you land safely, Builder Gubby will be right there, ready for you to collect. Enjoy your new Gubby.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.